Do you remember me? I sat upon your knee. I wrote to you with childhood fantasies. Well, I'm all grown up now. Can you still help somehow? I'm not a child, but my heart still can dream. So here's my lifelong wish, my grown-up Christmas list. Not for myself, but for a world in need. No more lives torn apart, that wars would never stop, and time would heal all. This is my grown-up Christmas list. What is this illusion called? The innocence of youth? Maybe only in a blind belief can we ever find the truth. Christmas wish. This is my only lifelong wish. This is my grown-up Christmas.